persons who have come in to be part of the exhibition, the regional exhibition, because we had a selection process. And those countries that were interested in submitting work by their artists did submit, and the best work was selected and so on. And now, because we have fewer spaces available than we did in the past, some of them have perished, some have other functions and so on, that we are really scrambling to get enough wall space for all of the fantastic work that has been done. We've got work here at Norman Center and Queen's Park Gallery. At the Grand Salle, they're distinguished artists of the Caribbean. Two of the distinguished artists of the Caribbean are, and both women. Part of my belief in having work from different countries, and different countries in locations where the public can get to it easily, would not feel intimidated about entering a mall, for example, so that they feel comfortable coming in and seeing the art. They don't feel, oh, well, this is something just for the experts. No, it is for everybody. And I love CARIFESTA. I absolutely love CARIFESTA. Every CARIFESTA I went to, and I'm saying this is my 9th, it's a fabulous experience.